Good morning, dear students. After a long time, again I am here, your Munmun ma'am, with EVS subject and with a new lesson, uses of plants. Now, first let us do this activity. Circle the things that we get from plants. Now, here are two things, coconut and a bucket. So, which thing we get from plants? Coconut. Do we get bucket from the plant? No, plastic. It is made of plastic. So we do not get plastic from the plant. So it is not a plant product. So strawberry and a comb. Here also strawberry. We get strawberry from the plant and not a comb. Now let us come to the main chapter. Plants are very useful. They give us many things which we need every day. They give us food, wood, clothing, medicines, pepper, rubber and oil. All plants gives us oxygen to breathe. They keep the air clean and provide shelter to different animals. Now here what we have come to know? We have come to know that plants are very useful. We know that plants are very useful to us. Very useful to us, not only us, but it is very useful to the animals also. Okay? Without plants, our life would have been very difficult. It is the role. Plants play a very important role in the life of all the beings, all the living beings, living organisms. Okay. Now, what does the plant give us? First of all, the plant gives us food, which is very important for all the living beings. Then come the wood. It is also very necessary. We make furnitures, we burn the wood and make our food. Clothing. How we get clothes from plant? Now, cotton grow on the plant. We get the cotton from the plant and from that cotton we get cotton thread, and from that thread we get the cotton clothes. Then you will see many other fibers. We get jute, that also we get from plant. Now medicines. All the medicines we take today are derived from the plants. The plants play a very important role in making the medicines. Paper, the writing paper, that copy you write in, or the book I am using. This page is made of bamboo plant. Okay, paper is made from bamboo plant. Then rubber, there is a rubber plant, and what they do, they just take that from the stem, they secrete a juice from the stem, and from that juice they produce rubber. Okay, and from rubber you get many products. From rubber you get like eraser, you get rubber bands, you get rubber shoes, so many products you get from rubber, bags and all, many things. Then oil. The oil we use for making food, like mustard oil we get from mustard seed, and mustard seed it grows in a plant. Then olive oil, this also grows in a plant. So these are all the plants. These are all the things that we get from the plants. And the most important thing, oxygen. Where from do we get the oxygen that we breathe in? The plants. They take in the carbon dioxide and give us the oxygen so that we can live properly, so that we can lead a life properly, so that we can breathe and live. Okay? They keep the air clean. As many as plants in an area we find, we can feel that the area, that the air of that area is very pure and clean. Okay, they provide shelter to different animals. When we go in the forest, if we find a forest with less trees, then we will not find any animals there. But in the forest with many trees and all, they give shelter to the animals like monkeys and birds and all, and everything. They give shelter to these animals also. Now, uses of plants. Plants helps in many ways. Let us study about their uses. Food. We get most of our food from plants. Plants gives us cereals, pulses. The plants that produce cereals and pulses are called crops. like rice, wheat, and maize are seeds. These are called cereals. Seeds such as peas, beans, and gum are called pulses. So, the plants gives us cereals and pulses. The plants that produce cereals and pulses are called crops. These cereals and pulses from the plants we get the cereals and pulses are called crops. Okay, and what comes under cereals? Rice, wheat, maize. This comes under cereals, and peas, beans, and grubs. This comes under pulses. Now let us go to this chart. Seed, pea, and this is Bengal gram. Roots, carrot, beetroot. Flower, cauliflower, broccoli. Fruit, pear, guava. Stem, sugarcane, potato. Leaves, spinach, cabbage. This is the chart. Follow this chart. You will learn what comes under the seed, root, and respectively you will get to know what comes under each of the column. Okay, I will give you some more when explanation of the chapter will finish. I will give you some more name of some more seeds, roots, flowers, fruits which come under which. I'll give you some more, but after the chapter finishes I'll give you in writing. I'll make a table and give you. You will learn it. Okay, now today till food you learn this chart and read this chapter from here to here. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.